What's going on, everyone? Hope you all having a great day today. In this video, we're going to be doing some cooling mods to the Miata here. What we have installed for us is going to be a Miata radiator. We're just going to be plopping this guy in, and we're going to just take you along the journey of us putting this new radiator in. It's about time we are getting a new one in, mainly for the performance mods, but over the winter we had some really cold days, and you can see the top of this radiator is plastic and the neck actually cracked on it, so that's going to be our second main reason to why we are replacing the radiator. So let's hop into it. All right, so we have the Miata radiator here, looking pretty mint. Still got it in its plastic. Then we got some tools that we're going to be using. We just have basic sockets, impact wrenches, and various pliers. And then we have this guy. We have just to bleed the system. So we're going to be using all these to install that in the Miata. Go for it.
Watch there be no coolant.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, that looks gross. No, it doesn't. Never mind. I lied.
Oh, here, let me do this real quick.
Drippy, drippy. I lost the plug.
No! Well, good thing it comes with a new plug.
No, what I'm saying is that if it overfills, that's fine.
Oh. Oh. Nice.
It's still going, dude. You have another can just in case? Yeah, it's gonna get full.
It looks like it's slowing down.
Yeah, we're fine.
Oh yeah, we got plenty of room.
The Nickelodeon slide.
It does look like Nickelodeon slide.
There. Oh, it's just held in by 2 bolts. Never mind. 2 bolts to the body.
It might be
Right there.
And it looks like it's just a bolt and a hose. First fan out. Second fan go.
Hose. There's another hose down there, I think. No. Hose and hose.
Move this over
here, because there's guaranteed coolant still in the lines.
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna spill it.
Can you take the fan out before you take the hose out? No.
No.
I'm gonna take the hose off over here so all the coolant comes out of this. Out of the water pump tank.
We need that hose though.
Well, I know you're gonna need that hose. But just so you don't spill it all over the fan, but
You don't need to. Yeah, it's not gonna start up anytime soon. It's time to cool down. But we could do it your way, I guess. You want to pull the pan back? I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now. It's so kicked on now. Just to get it broken off.
I don't rip it. Jeez.
It's not getting ripped, it's just loosening it from the grip, the grippy.
Oh yeah. There she was.
Huh. Okay.
We're gonna have to clean that slop off. Parts pile. All right, now we we're going to take the other stuff off.
Bottom lamp. Okay, we shouldn't need this anymore. How are you even gonna dispose of this?
Figure it out.
Yeah.
Some stuff on the bottom. There we go. Old poopy radiator.
Oh,
One fan. One fan.
all right, this is important.
Well, you're just like,
Maybe you should like join it. Take off that cap down now.
dope. Dope. Alrighty, so just got back from the store, got us some normal coolant, got green coolant because green coolant came out of it, so that's what we're doing. And yeah, got it all buttoned up here. Everything is nice and in there. I got a fan in. I have to order another fan because that is not even remotely close to the right fan, but I got this little neat guy since everyone uses these for this scenario. So I got that going. The weather is terrible, and I'm running out of time today to do the oil change on the WRX, but I have all the stuff right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill up the radiator, burp it, and that is a successful radiator installed for the Miata. So let's get pouring. We should be good. Still chugging away. So it took one already, so now it should just take most of this, because Mishimoto says that this is about a 1.7 gallon radiator, so I don't know why they didn't just run it up to 2, so, well, we'll see. It's probably gonna take 2. Don't know why I was making those noises. Oh, is it full? I think it's full. Alrighty, everyone, that will do it for today's video. I just wanted to showcase this real quick for you. We do have the Mishimoto radiator installed there. Don't mind that Rockstar can. I was using it for a science experiment, but yeah, that's supposed to be the overflow. I don't have an overflow yet, so that's going to be the overflow for like 2 seconds. But oh yeah, got it all bled, got it all figured out here. It's still a little hot there. Ooh. But yeah, thank you guys once again so much for watching today's video. I had a blast installing this. As far as what's next with this side of things, we're gonna get some fans for it. We're gonna run those fans on a switch, just because I would rather have them on a switch than having them try and cycle through it by themselves. So yeah, we're gonna have new fans in here. Also, we are going to get an actual overflow situated here, so that'll basically kind of complete the whole cooling system install video. They'll just kind of complete everything that we have going on here. But yeah, the radiator is going to be for this video, and then we'll keep going. And yeah, thank you guys once again so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please leave a like down below, and while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. Really helps me out a bunch. I'll see you guys in the next one.